YouTube. Today I am really, truly excited because my all-time favorite software is currently on special again. It goes on special once in a blue moon. It's very rare and it's only through Friday. I'm sorry I didn't get this video done sooner, but you really got to check out Vidnami. I'm going to tell you all about it and it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. Now, why would that be, you may ask? Well, it's really quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. The cat food that my cat has, and he's not happy. He wants fresh cat food. I gotta go shopping. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and then make money on my niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is one of my favorite tools of all time. Okay, seriously, if anything is not crap, this is not crap. This is so worth the money. Like, it's insane what kind of value you get from this thing. Seriously insane. Sorry. The way these work, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. But who the heck am I kidding? This thing gets a massive tip of my hat. I don't even have to tell you beforehand. This is huge. Huge, huge, huge. Watch my review because this is going to blow your mind what this thing can do and what the price is going to be for you. Okay. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. She's a sweetheart, isn't she? She says the same thing every day, but who can get angry at her? Anyhow, if you are new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are on the sales page for Vidnami. Now, Vidnami used to be called Content Samurai. I actually did a review a while back of Content Samurai back the last time that they did one of their sales, and now they're doing one again because they relaunched as Vidnami. And this software is off the hook, amazing, amazing value, what you get for it. I mean, I have never seen anything quite like this. Okay, so let me explain to you what Vidnami is. Vidnami is a piece of software for creating videos online. And basically, with the exception possibly of creating videos that feature something like yours truly, where I'm speaking to you, you can pretty much do everything inside of Vidnami and you'll have the whole video done and rendered in 15 minutes flat. It is absolutely amazing what this thing can do. Okay, and I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute. I do want to talk about my custom bonuses as well as what you're going to get included when you pick it up during this special offer. So first of all, my custom bonus, I'm going to feel like this. I actually use Vidnami for several things. First of all, I use it every time I make a sales video. And if you've ever seen my sales videos, you know they're pretty good actually. People actually pay me for them. I usually charge $99 or sometimes $199 depending on which platform I sell them on. For a professionally made sales video, I'm going to create a custom video that's going to show you exactly how to create the custom videos that I create using Vidnami. And I'm also going to show you how to do it with completely free software. You won't spend any money on it, and you can start making money. Literally, if you sell one video a month, you're already getting Vidnami for free and making a huge profit. Seriously, and I easily sell several videos per month. Very, very easy to do this kind of stuff. And I'm going to show you where to sell them and how to make them. It's super simple to make. Okay. Now, when you pick up Vidnami during the special, first of all, you get it for 40% off. They usually charge $49 per month for it. It is on special for $29 per month for life. That means it never goes up. It's guaranteed. And by the way, I have had Vidnami for a year and a half, 2 years now. and they have added so many additional features. It's insane what they've added, and they've still kept the price of $29 per month. And I know people who pay $49 a month and are thrilled to be paying $49 a month. So let me show you what there is. First of all, you obviously get for the $29. Okay, you're also going to get story blocks. Now, this I cannot tell you how huge this is. Okay, because a lot of people think, oh, I'll just get free videos. I'll go to Pixabay or whatever. And I've used free videos myself, and I can tell you the quality just is not there. All right. For pictures, yes, you can probably get away with using free stock photographs. Sometimes the quality isn't as good, and sometimes you still have a bit of an issue as far as licensing is concerned, because if it's got a picture of a person, it can be a bit problematic to use somebody's likeness in a paid video that you create. But with Vidnami, you don't have to worry about it because they're going to actually give you a subscription to Storyblocks. Now, Storyblocks basically provides you with nearly 800,000 video clips that you can use. And these are professional quality video clips that were filmed specifically for this purpose. They have the model rights and all the other good stuff so that you know that you have every legal right to use these things. You're also going to get the Storyblocks music tracks. Basically, if you ever check out the free music that's available on YouTube, half the time they require you to insert something into your video saying, giving credit for the video, credit for the music, and frankly, the music sucks. Okay, if you want really, really good music, and we're going to see the kind of music they get in Vidnami, you really need to pick up Vidnami and get the Storyblocks. Okay, they've also got a couple of other cool things here. They've got the Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprint. I actually paid extra for this thing, by the way. I paid extra. They're giving it to you for free. 21 Ways to Find Clients ebook. I didn't even get this thing at all. 5-minute Facebook ad formula. I haven't gotten that. Smartbook camera tips. Smartphone camera tips. I haven't gotten that either. I think I did get the Ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet. But that's pretty much about the only thing I've gotten. And again, it is $29 per month for life. Now, I realize a lot of people don't like to get a subscription, but trust me, if you're ever going to pay for a subscription, this is the one you want to pay for. And again, as I said, I'm also going to give you, basically what you're going to do is forward me your receipt to my email. I'm not going to post it here, but it is support@maninthehat.pro. Again, support@maninthehat.pro. The reason I don't want to post it in the description, I don't want to end up with a lot of spam emails coming to my support email. And my staff will make sure that you get the bonus, which is basically going to be this custom video that I created showing you how I'm able to use Vidnami to make money every single month. And I'm also going to give you a few thousand additional video clips, although honestly, you really don't need my additional video clips. But I'll give it to you anyway just for the heck of it, just so you have it. Okay, and you can see I've done any number of videos here. I do all of my videos in this thing. I also do videos for other people. Okay, so a lot of videos that I've done for other people as well. And so let's go ahead and create a quick video here just so you can see what this thing can do, because it really is amazing. So the first thing you're going to see when you create a video, you have different options. Okay, you can create all these different kinds of videos. You can have, for example, course training videos. You can do a sales video. I usually use the sales video stuff, but you have instant ad, for example. Okay, content video, influencer videos. Okay, and basically what it's going to do for you is going to give you these different options. You can see what all these different things will look like. Basically, it'll have different options as far as highlighting, as far as colors, as far as backgrounds. So let's say, for example, that I just wanted to do a sales video. So I might do, let's say, the technology one. All right. And you can actually see a sample of what it'll look like. This is not the text that you're going to be doing, obviously. This is just giving you an example of what one of their videos would look like. Okay. And what we can do is we can just click use this template. And we give it a title, so we'll call this one text. All right. This is just a quick test of the Vidnami software. Okay, now I want to show you what this thing can do. All right, first of all, scenes. It'll actually use its own system to try to find clips that would match what you want. But let's say that you want something else. You can actually search for video clips, and it's really, really, really good at searching for video clips. Okay, so for example, one of the things I like to use, okay, you can see it came up with something for software, but let's say I wanted to do something like film. Okay, so something to do with making movies, for example. All right, you can see it comes up with all these different things. You can actually see live previews of it, or we can do the word movie. And again, you have live previews, so you can see exactly what it is. So there's a person eating popcorn or a person with a clapperboard. And again, these are all actual videos that have been pre-recorded. You can use somebody editing a video here. All right, shooting a video. So let's say we wanted to use this one, we can put it here. And you'll be able to add on multiple other scenes here. Now, this is a feature that a lot of people love. Okay, you can actually do, first of all, you can upload a voice track. And part of my custom bonus, I will show you how to upload a voice track. All right, not the dog barking outside, but an actual voice track. Okay, you can also record it in here. I prefer to use my own system, and I will show that to you in my custom video. But you also have the auto voice, which is really cool. You have a whole bunch of different options here. So, for example, let's play Harry. Oh, I actually don't have it. I have it on my earbuds, so you probably wouldn't be able to hear that. Let me actually go ahead and switch that out real quick, so hopefully it'll be picked up by my microphone. You probably can't see what I'm doing, but I'm basically just going and switching it to the internal speakers, so that when I play it, it'll do this.
Hey, my name is Harry, and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Okay, and again, you have multiple options here. I think I like Luke quite a bit.
Hi, my name is Luke, and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
I personally prefer to upload my own stuff, but again, you can choose to use one of the auto voices, and it'll just automatically play back the video for you. You're going to click preview, and that's going to show you the video, and then download. You can choose to download it in high definition 1080p or in 720p. I also want to show you a couple of other features that you have here, just so you can see. You can choose, for example, what you want to go ahead and highlight. You can do this to get rid of the highlight, or you can highlight something else, for example. All right, you can obviously do underline and italicize. You can also hide the text. Okay, if you just want to do a video, and I've done this as well. Okay, you can also hide the video behind it, so you can just have like a static background. Okay, you can also choose where you want the text to be placed. So like that, for example. All right, it's really, really powerful stuff, and it's super, super, super simple to use. You can also switch different layouts. You can change your styles over here. You can change the text font, the font, the colors. Every single detail can be changed here, and it stores everything for you in the cloud. You never have to worry about losing your videos, because as soon as you create a video, it stores every single one of them. You can also organize your videos according to whatever you need. And again, you can go ahead and preview it down here. It'll actually let you change the timing of the video as well, which is really, really awesome. Okay, basically, if you record your own voice, it's actually very, very good, by the way, at picking up when you do your own voice where things should be. As far as your voice, it knows where everything should actually appear. Once in a while, it gets it a bit off, so you can actually adjust the timing, but it's really, really good. And you can see I have thousands of different music backgrounds that you can use. So, for example, this one I use quite a bit, actually. I like it quite a bit. All right, you can also upload your own music. You can also, by the way, upload your own videos. If you want to upload your own videos or your own images, you can do that as well. All right, you can add a watermark to the videos. So, for example, when I built a video for a customer. I actually added on their logo over here. Okay, and then you also can choose how fast you want the voice to be played back. So, for example, some of the auto voices sound a little bit better, like at 90% speed. You can do voice track volume. Okay, you can use the music volume. You can change all those details. And of course, again, you can manually adjust the timing as well. It is really one of the most comprehensive things, and it makes making videos so insanely fast. This really is, I pay for it every month, and it's one of the very few things I'm willing to pay for every month as opposed to paying once. I'm a big proponent of buying things once or getting free stuff, but Vidnami I pay for every single month because it is just that good. It really is just that good. It is an amazing piece of software. If I have a complaint about it, the only complaint I have is that they don't offer an option to just pay once per year and forget about it, that you have to pay every month, which I find annoying. But if you pick up another special, you do get the $29 price as opposed to $49 a month, which is a pretty nice discount when you think about it, especially when you consider how much additional content you're going to be getting with this thing. So it's really impressive stuff. So I think it's pretty obvious, but let's go officially see if I can tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
As I said, there is nothing I am more impressed with than Vidnami. I have been a loyal customer of theirs for close to 2 years now, and it is an amazing product. Literally one of my favorite pieces of software of all time, and something I absolutely could not live without. This one you really got to grab. You got to love it.